Hey everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel, Kids Drawing Magic. Today, we're going to draw and color some delicious fruits step by step. It's super easy and perfect for beginners and kids. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. Let's draw an orange. Draw a nice round circle. Add a small stem on top. Add small dots for texture. Draw a tiny leaf. Now draw highlights. Looking great! Now let's color it. Color the leaf green. Color the orange bright orange. Your orange is done. Let's draw a strawberry. Draw a heart-like shape. Make the bottom slightly pointed. Draw leaves on top. Add small dots for seeds. Looking great! Now draw highlights. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now let's color it. Color the leaves green. Color the seeds yellow. Color the strawberry red. Your strawberry is ready. Let's draw cherries. Draw 2 small circles. Add curved stems joining at the top. Draw a small leaf. Now draw highlights. Perfect! Now let's color it. Color the leaf green. Color the cherries red. And stems brown. Your cherries look cute. Let's draw a cute apple. Start by drawing a round shape. Add a leaf on one side. Add a small dip at the top. Draw a short stem in the center. Now draw highlights. Now let's color it. Color the leaf green and the stem brown. Color the apple bright red. Our apple looks delicious. Let's draw a banana. Draw a long curved line like a smile. Add another curved line below it. Close both ends of the banana. Add small tip lines. Now draw highlights. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now let's color it. Color the banana yellow. Color the ends a little brown. Your banana is ready. Let's draw a pear. Start with a round bottom. Make the top narrower. Add a small stem. Draw a leaf beside it. Now draw highlights. Now let's color it. Color the leaf green and stem brown. Color the pear light green or yellow. Your pear looks perfect. Let's draw grapes. Draw a leaf. Form a bunch shape. Add a small stem on top. Draw small circles close together. Great job! Now draw highlights. Now let's color it. Color the grapes purple or green. Color the leaf green and stem brown. Your grapes are ready. Let's draw a pineapple. Start with an oval shape. Add spiky leaves on top. Make them long and pointy. Draw crisscross lines across the body. Perfect! Now draw highlights. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, what should I draw next? Your ideas might be featured in my next video. Color the crisscross lines slightly darker. Now let's color it. Color the leaves green. Color the body yellow. Your pineapple looks great. Make it fun! Great job! You drew and colored all the fruits. Keep practicing and have fun. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us.